This is a limited 2-night Michelin sake pairing experience. Chef Chris is redefining how we experience sake, pairing it with seafood, meat, and even cheese. The halibut and seaweed paired with the Toko Divine droplets was one of our favorites.
A little salt. That's really nice.
The fire-roasted abalone with artichoke and liver sauce was another standout. The sake was paired beautifully and helped cut the richness of the dish. You know we love bread, and this Parker House roll was one of the best we've ever had. It had seaweed inside and gave Noriten vibes. This helped complement the light black cod. Get your tickets now for Japanese sake pairing nights only on October 24th and 25th at Birdsong in San Francisco. And follow Foodie Mon for all your Bay Area food recommendations.